best type of content is where the user naturally starts exploring themselves and ends up somewhere they didn't even think they would or intended. They came through the work portfolio and they're five pages in. That is a website which has the best content. Those are the best work portfolios that encourage you to click, or you naturally, organically, you only came to review this and you had 15 minutes, but you ended up spending an hour on the website and you started reading about, Postman, and then you ended up on a Slack to see what we have to say about these tools, and then you ended up on the testimonials. Then you went back to the work portfolio, and then you were just like, that is the ultimate form of content. That is when we've done so. To achieve that, we can never achieve that with a standalone piece. We can never achieve that with one work portfolio. It always has to link. And really, the best analogy of that is YouTube, right? I even remember seeing a video clip of Warren Buffett saying, he said, I click on it, and he goes, another video comes up, another video, and he goes, 2 hours in, I'm still on this website. So if you look at it, like, really is the best example of this principle is where you go there to watch one video, and you're 10 videos in, and you're like, oh, where did the last 2 hours go? Or at least you're adding videos to your watch later, right? That I do that a lot of times. Like I'll see one, I'll just keep scrolling. Oh, it's this one. So I'm like, I've added 10 videos to my. I do that a lot, and I'd imagine a lot of others do too. So is that not? Should we not be reverse engineering from that? Should we not take inspiration from that? How do you create content on that level? So this is how we can elevate our work portfolios now to the next level, where people are organically going through the website. The work portfolio is an entry point and a hook to explore all the rest of the website.